CIT. Orangutan mimics human sounds as scientists pondered whether speech came from shared ancestor. For the first time, an orangutan has mimicked human speech, giving scientists a better understanding of where the ability to communicate comes from. Rocky the orangutan imitated sounds in experiments from his home at the Indianapolis Zoo, changing his pitch and tone to copy the researcher. With the ability to produce both vowel-like and consonant-like sounds, the researchers concluded that the vocal capacity constituted a crucial prerequisite for the onset of spoken language evolution. The research team published their findings Wednesday in the Science journal. Before this study, most scientists believed humans developed conversational speech abilities well after our evolutionary lines diverged from apes. Now, it's possible speech originally may have come from a shared ancestor. Instead of learning new sounds, it has been presumed that sounds made by great apes are driven by arousal over which they have no control. Lead researcher Adriano Lameria. But our research proves that orangutans have the potential capacity to control the action of their voices. Researchers played a do-as-I-do game with Rocky where the ape would try to copy sounds in order to make wookies, or noises unique to an orangutan's normal vocal range. Rocky instantaneously matched human-produced wookies as they were randomly modulated in pitch, adjusting his voice frequency up or down when the human demonstrator did so, scientists wrote. Scientists compared Rocky sounds with over 12,000 hours of footage showing wild and other captive orangutan noises and determined that Rocky's calls were unusual. In order to make their study as accurate as possible, researchers made sure the demonstrator had no past voice training or music experience to make sure the sounds were natural.